At 5:38, Dayton-based tax service is in some big trouble after the U.S. Department of Justice sues to shut it down. Good evening, I'm Mark Allen.
And I'm Megan O'Rourke. Instant Tax Service, which claims to be the fourth largest tax preparation business in the country, is accused of ripping off customers and filing fraudulent returns. Jordan Burgess is live with why this doesn't come as a shock to some.
Well, we've been investigating complaints against Instant Tax Service for years. In fact, the Better Business Bureau has dealt with more than 150 of them in the last 3 years alone. But those are nothing compared to what the federal government is alleging. They're used to preparing returns this time of year, but preparing for a lawsuit is another story. And officials say this goes far beyond complaints over fees.
The federal prosecutors are actually alleging more than that. They're saying flat-out fraud.
The complaints against Instant Tax Service and 5 of its franchises are enough to fill a 1040 tax form and then some. Federal officials say Instant Tax was filing fraudulent returns to increase customers' refunds so they could charge them more. Those with the Better Business Bureau here say they've heard some of those same complaints.
Here locally, it's been wording within the contract. It's been fees that the consumer felt that they were unaware of.
That's why if you still haven't filed your taxes yet, the BBB says to be careful about who you pick to do them.
Get 3 quotes, ask lots of questions, and if something doesn't feel right, then, contact others.
Now, I put in a call to Instant Tax Service, leaving my name and number, but have yet to hear back. And you can bet we'll continue to follow this case to see where it goes as the federal government tries to close the loophole on Instant Tax Service. Reporting live, Jordan Burgess, 2 News.